Hello and welcome to video number 6. In this video we're going to go over creating web space for your products using Amazon S3. Now this is going to be similar to the last video where I'm going to show you how to actually create some web space for your new product so that your customers can download it, but this is going to be slightly different because in this video I'm going to show you the tool that I use to host all of my products. Because when you start creating things like video courses to sell online, which I recommend that you do because video courses are very popular and your customers will really like them, the problem is you can't upload videos to your hosting account. Okay, I mean you can, but it's gonna drain your bandwidth so much and it's going to be so slow for your customers to download them from your hosting account. So what I do is I use a tool called Amazon S3 to upload all of my products, and the download speed is a lot faster. So this is what we're going to go through in this video. Now the first thing I'm going to do is go through some of the benefits of using Amazon S3. The first one is, I did just say this anyway, but it's perfect if you have a video course. Yeah, if you have a video course that you sell online, then Amazon S3 is a perfect solution. It's a perfect platform to upload your products to, because the download speed is going to be a lot faster. Because remember, videos are a lot bigger. Yeah, the files, when you save a video and you upload the video, it's going to be a lot bigger. The file size is going to be a lot bigger than just a PDF. Also, by using Amazon S3, it is a lot more professional. Yeah, when your customers come through and they download your products, you need to make sure that things look professional and the download speed is very good, because there's nothing worse than someone buying a product or paying for a product and then they go to the download page and they have problems downloading the product, okay, or it takes hours. Yeah, that is not professional and it's going to really upset your customers very quickly. And also, you're going to get faster download speeds for bigger files. So this is kind of what I said about a video course. With a PDF, the download speed is always going to be very quick, even if you put it onto your normal hosting account. Okay, but Amazon S3 is ideal if you want to increase your download speeds for things like video courses, because the files are going to be a lot bigger. And the last one is it's going to be more secure. Okay, when you upload everything onto your Amazon S3 account, then it's going to be very secure, because the platform that you use is the actual platform that Amazon themselves use for their shopping website, yeah, Amazon.com. So you can be sure, you can be very confident that it's going to be very secure. And just in case you don't know what Amazon S3 is, Amazon S3 is basically a platform where you can upload everything to. I didn't explain this at the start of the video, but Amazon themselves, Amazon.com, the shopping site, all of their images and all of their videos that they have on their website, all of those are hosted on Amazon S3. Yeah, Amazon S3 is like an add-on. It's like an extra platform that they've got, and they now rent space out. They rent web space out so that other people can use them, because they've got tons of extra space. Yeah, they've got massive servers and they've got tons of extra space, so they rent the space out so you can host your videos and your products and your, you know, different parts of your business on the Amazon S3 platform. It does cost, it is a paid service, but it's very cheap. It really is cheap. I've got hundreds of different products and videos on mine, and it's not a lot of money at all. You know, I'm talking at the moment, I think I pay about $30 odd a month, if that, for all of my products and videos. So it really isn't a lot at all. So you could have thousands of videos and products on the Amazon S3 platform, and it still wouldn't cost you that much. So the price is very good. So what we're going to do now is actually walk through how to upload everything to Amazon S3, and I'm also going to show you where you can sign up to Amazon S3. So we're going to go over there now. Okay, here we are. This is the page that you would need to come to if you wanted to sign up to Amazon S3. Now the link is aws.amazon.com/S3. Now this is the place where you sign up. There are a few steps that you've got to take, but Amazon will explain everything that you need to do. It is really simple. Now also what I'm going to do is show you how the entire process works. If you remember in the last video, or one of the last videos that I showed you about how to upload your PDF direct to your hosting account, this video is going to be how to upload a file to Amazon S3 so that you can then get the link and give it to your customers. So it's very similar, but you don't upload your products to your hosting account, you upload it to Amazon S3 instead. And just to make it even easier, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that, and this is exactly what I do myself. So what we're going to do first is, if we go over to a page here, and what we need to do is just go into one of my other products here. If we go into something like this, okay, this is just one of my previous products. If we click that, right, okay, what I usually do, and this is exactly what you can do, and just to make it easier, what we'll do, we'll drag the PDF to this page here as well, because we're going to use this PDF as an example. Now this page, this in front of you, okay, this folder here has all of my videos inside. So if we click that, double click that, you see all those videos are there, okay, and these are very big files. Yeah, these are, some of these are 6 or 7 megabytes, others are around 10 or 15 megabytes, even 20 megabytes, some of them. So you can't upload these videos to your hosting account, okay, because it's just not going to happen. Even if you zip this up, even if you zip this folder up and upload the zip folder to your hosting account, it's going to be very slow. So this is why we use Amazon. So what you need to do, if you were to ever create a video course, get a folder like this, put all the videos in the folder, and then what you would need to do is right click the folder and then come down and then go to send to, and then what will happen is something else will come up, like that, and then compressed zipped folder, okay, and then what's going to happen is this is going to zip that folder up so that it's going to be in a friendly format for Amazon S3, because I can't, or we can't just upload this folder to Amazon S3. It has to be a zipped folder, okay. So there we go, it's just created our zip folder there, and this folder here is the one that we upload to Amazon. So if we go over to Amazon, if we go over to Amazon again, okay, this time we're going to go to my actual account. So this is a different tab there, look. Alright, this is my actual account, you see, Paul Nichols at the top there. So what we're going to do is create a bucket, and we're going to call this test. test folder for now. Oh, it's actually gone. Test folder 333. There you go. So if we look down the list, test folder 333. If we double click that, open it up, there's nothing inside. Okay, so what we need to do is click upload and then add files, and then if we go to this one here, look, yeah, click that, that's the zip folder, remember, that we just zipped up. Yeah, this is our actual product, and then just click open and then start upload, this button here. Okay, it's 64 megabytes. Now this will take a few minutes to do because 64 megabytes is a fair size. So what we're going to do, I'll just pause this video and then come back when it's done. Okay, that is now done. You see there, that says done, green tick, and that is now uploaded into Amazon S3 AWS. So this is now available for download. Okay, but before we get to that stage, before you can actually give this link to your customers, there's a couple of things we need to do and you need to know how to do. So what you need to do first is just click that on the left hand side so it highlights it, and then you need to go to actions, and this is very important because if you don't do this it won't work. What you need to do is click make public. If you don't click make public, okay, it will come up with this box and just click OK. If you don't click make public, when you put the link on the download page, your customers won't be able to download it because they won't have access. Okay, they won't be allowed access to actually download it unless you click yes to make public. Then what you need to do is of course get the link so that you can give it to your customers on the download page, and this is at the bottom there. So go to properties, click that, and then on the right hand side you've got a link here, look, yeah, and this is the Amazon S3 link. So all you do, or all I do, is I just usually do that and then just Control and C, copy that link, and then you can put that on your download page. And that is exactly how you upload a video course into Amazon S3. So if we click across there, get out of here, and if we go to all buckets again, the other thing I was going to show you is, if we go back to the non-profits, is we're going to do exactly the same for a PDF. Okay, what I just showed you works the same for a PDF document. So this one here was the one that we just uploaded, yeah, to our test folder in Amazon. What we're going to do, so imagine this is the test, this is the PDF that that you've just created for your product. Right click the document there, again go to send to, and then compressed zip file. There you go, and then it's got test-PDF. Yeah, you don't usually have to wait very long because it's only a PDF. So you've now got a PDF there. So if we go over to Amazon again, yeah, click test folder, and then click upload, and then add files, and then test PDF. Make sure it's a, it's the zip file one that you try to upload, otherwise it won't work, and then just start upload, and this should work within seconds, because there you go, because it's only a PDF, they usually upload within a few seconds. Yeah, it's only 8.4 kilobytes, look, yeah. Now I know that's only an example PDF, but even if you actually created one with like 15 or 20 pages, it will still upload within 10 seconds. And that is how you get the product on Amazon S3. We'll do the same for the PDF. Yeah, make public. Okay, and then actions again, properties, and then we've now got our test PDF. So these are the links that you basically give out to your customers. This is a lot more professional, and not only that, when they go to download your product, it will be a lot faster. If you were to keep uploading product after product to your hosting account, it's just going to completely kill your bandwidth, and it's going to make it really slow. And it's going to annoy your customers. Whereas at least if you've got a tool like Amazon S3, you can it's going to look a lot more professional, and it's going to be a lot faster, and it's going to keep your customers happy. And not only that, you can keep everything nicely organized, because if you go back to my all buckets there, these are all my products. So every time that I want to grab the link for any particular reason, I can just go to each of these and do that. So it's a really professional service. I highly recommend it, and if you do plan on creating video courses, I do really recommend for you to do this and to use the Amazon S3 platform. So that is the end of this video. In the next video, what we're going to do is go over how to actually create a download page. So when you grab this link, your link for your product from Amazon, you can put that link on the download page, but obviously we do need to create a download page for you to be able to do that. So I'll show you how to do that in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next video.